Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a button inside a Flutter application. So let's get started. So here you can see in the output I have this text button. If I click on click me inside the terminal, so I have not written anything on the press of the button, but if you want I can just write one debug print. So I'll just write something like this. Okay, and if I just do an hot reload, if I click on the button, here you can see clicked message has been printed. So all I have done is that I have just refactored my home page widget. This can be a stateless widget as well. You don't really need a stateful widget, but most of the time as your application grows, this will become a stateful widget. And here I have just taken one text button, and we have an on press event on it. So once the button is clicked, this method gets called, and inside the child we are displaying one text. This is the title for the text, and for the styling I have just assigned one red color, and the font size is 30. But if you want, you can apply more things to this particular text as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.